Dr. Greeney here, and today we're talking about acne and pores. If you don't know who I am, I'm a dermatologist that practices medical, surgical, and cosmetic dermatology, and I'm here to help you get your best skin. So pores are totally normal, everybody has them. So if you see a photo with somebody with the glass skin, it's likely photoshopped or fake. So while it's normal for us to have pores, sometimes they are a little bothersome to people. Some people's pores look a little bit more enlarged, and this can be due to sun damage over the years, but largely it's just genetic. It's your makeup that comes from your genes, and some people's pore size are a little bit larger than others. But don't worry, there's hope. There are some solutions that can make the appearance of pores a bit better. And one of them, of course, as you know, wearing sunscreen every single day. I always recommend SPF 30 or greater. If you want to use SPF 50, that's great. Minimizing damage to our skin from UV radiation can help prevent loss of collagen and elastin in our skin that keeps our skin nice and taut and keeps our pores nice and small. Today I want to talk to you guys about a few of the great ingredients that are found in products that can help with pore size, and I'm going to do it through the context of a brand new product by Medicube because it contains so many of those great ingredients. So before you ask, this is what I'm talking about. This is the Medicube 1-Day Zero Pore Day Serum. Now I did collaborate with Medicube to create this video and to help review this product for you. But again, all my opinions are my own, and I'm here to just share skincare knowledge with you. For those of you who don't know, Medicube is a Korean skincare company with a huge range of products. But today we're focusing on this bad boy right here. The first thing you'll notice, it comes in a pretty cool bottle, but that ain't gonna do it for us. We actually wanna see what ingredients are in this product that make it work great for pores and for acne. Now the hero ingredients in this product are largely acids. And when you look at the bottle and see that there are 15.2% acids, but it's mainly made up of polyhydroxy acids, and I'll explain that a little bit more in a minute. It comes with a much lower concentration alpha hydroxy acid. Alpha hydroxy acids are fruit acids that are amazing for our skin. They can stimulate collagen formation. They can help smooth our skin's appearance by basically making skin cells that are on the surface of our skin less sticky and gently chemically exfoliate those away, resulting in smoother skin. Alpha hydroxy acids are usually derived from fruit, things like citrus fruits, grapes, and even lactic acid from milk. Alpha hydroxy acid is awesome because it's a small molecule. That means it can get into our skin very easily and get down into the deep layers of skin to work to help stimulate the collagen formation. But again, like I said, this product has 3 types of acid in it, and the second type is beta hydroxy acid. Beta hydroxy acid is what's most commonly seen salicylic acid. It is an oil-soluble acid, which means that it actually can absorb into oil, meaning it gets into oil glands and into pores. It allows those pores to break up the debris inside of them and prevent them from becoming clogged. Beta hydroxy acids are also known as keratolytics, which means that they actually can break down and exfoliate skin cells. They can also open up closed pores or blocked pores and pimples. The alpha hydroxy acid in this product accounts for 1% of the product. 0.2% is the beta hydroxy acid. That means the vast majority of the acids in this product are polyhydroxy acids. So why do you need 3 types of acid? Well, I've kind of explained the other 2, but polyhydroxy acids are very important because actually they're a much larger molecule. And just like I said, smaller molecules get into the skin easy, larger molecules really don't. So how does that sound helpful? Well, it actually works better on the surface layers of our skin. And because it absorbs less intensely, that means that it also is less drying and irritating. So even people with sensitive skin conditions can often tolerate and use a polyhydroxy acid. Now I know I'm blabbering on about the ingredients and things, but I hope that you come to my channel to learn. If you have, make sure to subscribe if you haven't, because I do new skincare videos every single week to help you get your best skin. So basically I've explained some of the main ingredients in this product, and it basically has an ingredient profile built to help with pores, but also help with acne. There are a few other key ingredients that are in this that I do want to tell you about. One of the other ingredients I want to tell you about is niacinamide. It's a really cool ingredient because it can help with particularly oily skin. It can help decrease oil production. It can also help fade dark spots. So if you got an old acne bump that's been there for a while and left a dark mark behind, niacinamide, along with the other acids we discussed, can help lighten those faster. On top of those benefits, you're also going to see improved skin texture with time with this product. I want to tell you a little bit more about this product and also show you how to use it. So I'm going to do that in just a minute. So one of the things I want to show you is this product actually has a blue hue to it. But don't worry, it doesn't have any artificial fragrances or coloring in it. That's actually just a blue color that's derived from the natural ingredients that are in this product. As you can see, it applies to the skin really nicely. It feels very dewy and hydrated without feeling sticky. It does have some hyaluronic acid in it, so as you guys know, that does hold a good amount of moisture on our skin, so it feels quite hydrating. Now, since some of the acids, particularly the alpha hydroxy acids, can cause a little bit of photosensitivity or sensitivity to the sun, it's best to use this product just once a day and at bedtime. And it doesn't take much. I just usually take a few drops and then basically just use a few fingertips to apply the product to my face. So this product is a serum, so it's a little bit thicker than a toner. So if you're applying toners, you want to do them first and then go ahead and follow it up with this serum. And if you ever get confused about the order of applying your skincare routine, just make it easy. Think about applying products from thinnest to thickest. And like I said, it feels great. It has no real smell to it. I may be able to smell a little bit of the lactic acid that's in it, but that's really it. So it goes on really nice. It leaves your skin feeling dewy and hydrated, and it's not going to irritate your skin that much, again, because of the composition of the ingredients. It also has a few other ingredients that you've been seeing in more skincare products these days, like Centella asiatica and madecassoside. These are really nice botanical, antioxidant, and anti-inflammatory ingredients. So I always appreciate when companies do some internal research about their products, and basically they looked at this product and they looked at whiteheads, blackheads, and pimples, and there was a 13% decrease in those things after only 2 weeks of using the product, which is pretty cool. For those people who felt they were too oily, there was 20% of people just after 2 weeks that noticed decreased oiliness. So the product's still on my face. It feels great. It looks great. I really like it. When you wake up in the morning, your skin feels nice and smooth. And when this is paired especially with some very gentle physical exfoliation with a silicone cleansing brush, whether you use it on your fingertips or one of the mechanical vibrating silicone cleansing brushes, it's a really, really nice option to get very smooth skin. It's great when companies use airless pumps. That means none of the product really wasted. Basically, the more you pump it, the product gets kind of vacuumed up to the top, and also none of the contaminants from outside the jar get in. So you're not dipping your fingers in a jar or something and introducing bacteria. So I think it's a really nice touch. This bottle is a 1 ounce bottle, and it's available on the Medicube website. So Medicube, thank you for sending me this. It was a pleasure to review it. It's a really cool product, great ingredient list. I really, really like it. If any of you out there have tried to tackle pores on your own and have used other products that you like, I'd love to hear about it in the comments below so I can help tell my patients about it. So share your experiences, whether good or bad, with other pore treatments in the comments below. I'd love to hear it. So I hope today I've helped you with your acne, help fix your pores, and also give you smoother skin. I really appreciate you watching. I put out new videos every week with great skincare advice from a dermatologist. So feel free to come back next week. If you haven't subscribed, please do so, and I'll see you then.